In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to delete your Instagram account. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It really supports me. To permanently delete your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. From there, tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings. Inside settings, choose the first option, Account Center. In Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control, followed by Deactivation or Deletion. If you have more than one account, pick the account you want to delete. On the next screen, select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Keep in mind that if your Instagram account is linked to a Threads account, that will be deleted too. Tap Continue. Again, now you'll need to choose a reason for deleting your account. I'll select something else, then hit Continue. On this page, you'll have options to download or transfer your information, or to temporarily deactivate your account instead. Since we're deleting it permanent, go ahead and select Continue. Next, re-enter your Instagram password and tap Continue. Finally, confirm once more that you want to delete your Instagram account. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up.